Welcome to Anatomy and Physiology. In this lesson, we'll explore the levels of organization in the human body, beginning with cells and progressing through tissues, organs, and organ systems, all the way to the organism level. Understanding this hierarchy helps explain how the structure of the body supports its overall function. This lesson is an overview, designed to give you context before we dive deeper into cells, tissues, and body systems in future videos. A cell is the smallest living unit in the human body. It is considered the basic unit of structure because all tissues and organs are built from cells, and the basic unit of function because all vital processes of life occur at the cellular level. No matter how complex a body system is, it ultimately depends on the activity of its cells. Most human cells share three basic parts. The cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane, surrounds the cell and regulates what enters and leaves. The cytoplasm is the internal environment where many cellular processes occur. The nucleus contains genetic material and directs the cell's activities. Cells rarely function alone. Groups of similar cells work together to perform a shared function. When cells organize in this way, they form tissues, which represent the next level of organization in the human body. A tissue is a group of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function. The human body contains four basic tissue types: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissue. Each tissue type has a distinct role. Epithelial tissue covers and lines surfaces, connective tissue supports and binds, muscle tissue produces movement, and nervous tissue enables communication and control. An organ is composed of two or more tissue types working together to perform a specific function. For example, the heart is made primarily of muscle tissue, along with connective tissue and epithelial tissue. Specialized cardiac muscle cells, such as those found in the sinoatrial and atrioventricular nodes, generate and conduct electrical impulses that coordinate the heartbeat. When organs work together to perform a common function, they form an organ system. Each system contributes to maintaining the body's overall health and balance. The organism level represents the highest level of organization. All organ systems interact to maintain homeostasis, allowing the human body to survive and function as a whole. Understanding levels of organization helps explain how problems at one level can affect the entire body. For example, when body temperature rises, cells and tissues in the skin respond by increasing sweating, which helps cool the body back to normal. This is an example of a negative feedback loop, where the body detects a change and activates responses that restore homeostasis. In upcoming lessons, we'll explore cells and tissues in much greater detail, including cellular structures, functions, and how tissues support organ systems. This overview provides the framework for deeper learning.